Hey, for my king size bed here, I decided to go with this slat style metal frame right here. Let's take a closer look at it and I'll show you why it's been working so well for me. So one of the first things I should point out, because one of the big reasons that I got this bed was because of all the clearance that you got down here. There's 18 inches of clearance here. That means I can keep like my daughter's art supplies down here, some things we don't use. Like look, I got this big bag of luggage right here. That can slide down there, no problem. Watch this. I can get right under here, no problem. There's so much room down here. Another reason was just because of the type of metal that we got here. It's a rust-free, really strong but lightweight type of metal. You know, it's nice and sturdy and I really like that, but it's also stylish and cool looking. Another reason was just because of how easy this one is to put together. There's really just 9 legs like this one that you just get a little Allen wrench like this to use, and all you have to do is kind of just screw in a bunch of big screws like this. They're not difficult to move around and they're nice and sturdy as well. Some of the legs look like this. Others have a few more screws like this one right here. And as you can see, this cross beam just has a few screws to screw in right here as well. After that, you basically just have 10 slats like this that you just drop into the little things like this and you're good to go and slide your bed on top of it.